everyone, welcome back to my channel Day 15 class. Today we are going to discuss about ledgers. Prepare Sudha account from the following. So we have to write the Sudha account only. So we have to write the Sudha account ledger. This is our ledger of Sudha account. This is the pro forma. And next, the first transaction held on 2014 February. 2014 February 1st. Amount due from Sudha. See here, due from. From means it is balance brought down. Balance brought down. At last class we discussed about balance. We have to tally both sides, debit and credit, and we have to carry down the amount and brought down that amount for the next month first. For the next month first. So this due amount is carried from the before month of Sudha account. So this is balance brought down. So this balance brought down, here it is mentioned from. It is mentioned from. So we have to enter this amount in debit side. To balance brought down. It was this amount has been taken from the last month brought down amount. Last month carried down amount we has taken. If this here it is written as from. So we have to enter it in debit side. For example, if in the place of from amount due to Sudha, it will be written in credit column. From means we have to enter it in debit column, and to means we have to enter it in credit column. Right. And next, the next transaction was held on February 4. Goods sold to Sudha. What is the journal entry for that? Sudha account debtor to sales account. This is a credit sales. So the name of a person has given here. So it is a credit sales. Sudha account debtor to sales account. Sudha is in debit. So we have to enter to sales in debit column. February 4th to sales account. How much? 11,000. And next transaction was held on February 12th. Goods returned by Sudha. That means here goods sold to Sudha. We has returned goods to Sudha and goods returned by Sudha. Sudha has returned that goods. Sold goods. That is sales returns. Sales returns debtor to Sudha account. Right? Sales returns account debtor to Sudha account. So Sudha is in credit. So we have to place it in credit side. February 12. By sales returns. How much? It is 4,000 rupees. And next, the next transaction is held on 16th. That is cash received from Sudha. So cash received. That means cash account debtor to Sudha account. At any time we have to think that we are the business. The cash is going out from us and coming to us. here cash received from Sudha. The entry is cash account debtor to Sudha account. So Sudha in credit side. So we have to write buy cash in credit side. At February 16, buy cash account. How much? It is 3,000. And next, the next transaction was held on 22nd. Received check from Sudha. Check received from Sudha. Check means obviously bank. Bank account debtor to Sudha account. Bank account debtor to Sudha account. So, Sudha is in credit. So, we have to credit the bank. How much? 6,000 rupees. Sudha account settled with 10% discount. With 10% discount. It was settled. So the transaction is discount account debtor to Sudha account. Discount account debtor to Sudha account. Sudha is in credit. So we have to credit the discount by. So 10%. On which we have to make 10% discount? We have to make discount on this 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 into 10 by 100. The entry is discount account debtor, cash account debtor to Sudha account. Discount account debtor, cash account debtor to Sudha account. So, by discount account, by cash account. Sudha is in credit. So, we have to credit discount and cash. For 6,000, 600 in discount and 5,400 the remaining. So, this is our entries of Sudha account. So, we have to calculate the both sides. This is 19,000 and this is also 19,000. So there is no cash carried down and cash brought down. So this amount has been tallied for both debit and credit columns. This is 19,000 and this is also makes 19,000. So we didn't carry or brought any amount. I hope you like the videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.